Okay, so the first thing I want you to do is to divide your paper into thirds or quarters. So I'm just going to fold mine into half and then bring these in. So I've got now 4 sections and I'm going to print a row in each section. So to print, just get a piece of card. It can be a bit of toilet roll that you can cut up, and you're going to make your different shapes using the card. So you could fold or roll. So I could try and make a triangle by folding my card into 3 bits, and then I'm going to make just a little lip so it's got something to kind of adhere to. So let's have a look. Like, whoops, bit of a wonky triangle, kind of triangle shape. Let's see, and then just secure that in place with a bit of tape. So yeah, I quite like that triangle. And then you could try a circle. So might not be, you might have to coax it into position a little bit. Give it a little squeeze. Any little bits like that, you don't really want those, so get rid of it. And then, depending on the size of your triangle, mine's turning into, might have been quite a good idea actually to wrap that round a glue stick or something that is already circular. That would have given me a nice circle shape. Okay, so there's a little circle. And what about a square? And of course I'm going to keep one end. I'm not going to do anything because then I've got a nice straight line. So that will give me an edge. Let's see if I can fold this into 4. Can I make a square or a rectangle? I think so. Let's give that a go. Might have to just play around. Could sort of try a spiral shape. Okay, it's kind of a, yeah, look. Right. Then pour some paint into a shallow dish. You don't want too much. I'm just going to use a bit of scrap. Whoa. Need to give that a shake. So I'm just going to use a bit of scrap cardboard to pour mine on. Let's try that again. So you just need 1 colour of paint. And then I'm going to go ahead creating my first pattern along my rows. So let's go with my, I'm going to give it a test. So maybe square, square, and line, line, square, square, line, line. So they're a bit further apart than those two, so maybe I need to pay a bit more attention to what I'm doing. Square, square, line, line. So I need to try and make sure I'm keeping them the same distance apart, each shape. Square, square. Okay. What else could I do with this? So it looks like just a boring shape, but look, I could make a star with it. I could just simply do a whole row of stars, or I could put another one of my shapes along. So the idea is that you're going to use these little mini printing blocks we've made. Let's see how my circle goes. Now one side's a bit taller than the other. I'm going to have to give it a wobble to get a print. See, look, it hasn't quite come out, but that's okay. That's the nice thing about printmaking, is that you're never going to be quite sure what it's going to look like until you actually do it. Okay, so keep going. So that's, I've got one row done. I'm going to now need to put 3 stars here. Something different in this section and something different again in that section. Okay, off you go and have a fun time printing.